Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the London session live stream again. Let's put on some music real quick. I saw price action this morning. I was like, "Fuck that." You gotta understand sometimes when price action is that bad, you're wasting your time sitting here trying to run after price. No, it's yes. Movie I saw this morning, I was like, nah. The only thing you could have catch was this move, but the 5 minute was closing without a top wick, so I was like, good morning, Scream. I think a lot of people have the same things. Ugly ass price action. I went to start early this morning at usual times. But I was like, nah, this doesn't make any sense. If people want to see the analysis from yesterday, it's here. I'm gonna remove it now. Zoom it out one more time. I don't know where the fuck I did it on. Oh, right here. If you want to reread it, make a screenshot now. After this, I'm removing it from the screen. There we go. But now, look at the monthly time frame. We started to push up. This monthly closed doji, pretty much doji bearish. It's kind of already made a top and bottom wick. Also the same on the weekly time frame. It looks like we filled 50% of this body. But to come back up if you had control and oh, I don't know. Daily. We're just in a daily range right now, as you can see. Daily range we're sitting in. And it's very, very, very ugly. Look at the 12-hour, 11-hour. You see that we're just stuck right now. We did do a nice retest on this area right here. And that's where buys were valid, but let's see. And the 4 hours resistance support is still the same. This is the actual daily range right now. Daily. And we have the daily support sitting right here. Even though, yeah, no, never mind. The 4 hours a little closer. 4 hours sitting right here, and the current 4 hours, yeah, pretty much where the previous one closed. Go deeper into the chart. We are sitting in not the biggest range. Right from the 1 hour, we created a support with an order block right here, and we are respecting the resistance that is sitting right here. We did have a nice push up though. So 1 hour resistance, and then 1 hour support. And here we got that 4 hour resistance. nibble. Maybe a little bit. No, I wasn't. Bro, I looked this morning, I was like, fuck that. Like, that's whack. So I was like, let it just break out. I'll come back and then I'll take a trade, but it still hasn't broken out yet. So I mean, it's just pushing down, but there's no 5-minute confirmations for me. The only thing that I might be able to do is wait for this 5-minute, because now, as you can see, it's sort of breaking structure, right? Inside the range. Like, you gotta understand, we're still inside the range. We pretty much are also respecting these hives, but let's say, right, this is 5-minute structure: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and here we at the break, retest, continuation, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we started breaking this area, which means a break of structure right here. That's hella ugly, right? It means a break of structure right here. So I'm gonna let the 5-minute, might just be waiting for more NFP numbers. Yes. So I'm gonna let it break out like this, let it go, and then once it starts coming back, maybe look at the 5-minute after retesting this area right here to continue moving down towards this area first, and then towards the lows at 1810s. Probably gonna see a retest at this area for continuation down, but let's see, it also could drop like this. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for right now on gold. There's not much else. We're gonna see the amount of pips on that. It did go down from the breakout around 11 pips, no, around 12. So I let it go to like 16, let it come back, let a 5-minute form, and then once the 5-minute forms, we're gonna take a trade on the 5-minute to first target this area right here, and then continue moving down. But the one thing I'm also looking at is, like, this could also be the retracement of the move up, but as we're looking left, we're actually respecting some highs, so I'm still looking to go down one more time. 4 hours also, previous 4 hours also bearish. Especially this 1 hour candle. Yeah, let it come back and then we'll take a trade. This was a nice candle. The 1814, yeah, well done to you. Very nice, very nice. Now it's just scalps, straight scalps. Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, good morning.
How are you, man?
Hey, good.
I saw the price this morning, I was like, fuck that.
Yeah, the range doesn't look good on gold.
Not at all.
No.
Go to the 30-minute, we're just making...
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
On gold, not much. I'm gonna wait for an NFP and then trade it next week.
Yeah, probably the same.
Yeah, for GJ, it looks like it could be able to retest the highs that it created on like the 4-hour, but I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, 944. That's a good amount of range.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Also,
issues on the hourly though. That's not pretty.
I mean, look at the 5-minute right now, right? This is what I usually take on gold. Look at the 5-minute. Once it's kind of closed like this, we have rejection to the downside. Maybe wait for the high to be broken. Then we're at least going to go back up to 700. And then continue maybe towards that 900 area. Because if, as you can see on the 1 hour, 1 hour doesn't have a top wick, and it has a wick to fill, right? 30 minutes.
Yeah, I see what you mean. So those are the candles you talked about.
Yeah, 5 minutes like that. Yeah. And then close like this, and then continue. But on
Yeah.
GJ it's less strong because I explained that last time as well.
Mhm.
That just the momentum in GJ is a lot lower, so a lot more 5-minute a lot of more 5 minutes are closing like really close to each other, right? This
True.
could also like start doing this and then start going.
Yeah, indeed, that makes sense.
What's the daily looking like now? I haven't traded GJ for a long time. Daily also has a wick to fill. You're probably gonna fill that wick to the top.
Yeah, on the daily. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Fill the wick 4-hour high.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this week I've been taking it easy since it's NFP week, so
Yeah,
those are not my best.
Crazy week. Yeah, it's just looking pretty nice. Don't know about this 5-minute now though. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, and gold is just delicate right now. It's just moving up and down to the side. The only thing I would
heard
wait
you're looking for the retest.
Yeah, if we look on the 5-minute, we had to break the structure right here, right? So it comes back one more time. I'm expecting it to go down to this area, but that's it, like nothing more. Because if we go to this area, we could rapidly go back up again and then go back down and all of those things, so.
Yeah, it's that 4-hour support.
Yeah. Too delicate.
Yeah, it's kind of setting up this daily candle because it's either gonna break the support, which is also the structure on the daily, or it can break above the daily resistance where it's been rejecting the past 2 days to continue on up for NFP. So it's a little bit of a patience game today.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, there's still a lot of familiar names in the YouTube chat.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Look for a long 1811, 1822. Okay, yeah, could do. That might be one. I don't know. I'm questioning myself though a moment. I understand that you see a level sitting right here, but once price comes there, there's a huge chance of this candle being fully engulfed. 2 hour, 1 hour. Oh. I'm just looking for short-term sells and then wait for price to break out and just create higher highs, higher lows, or lower lows, lower highs. Otherwise, you're gonna just have dodgy moves because I know once I'm gonna be taking a sell from here, when I see the correct confirmation, it's gonna be a pain. Just like that yesterday's trade, it was taking a long ass fucking time. Hey, Luke, love from India. Hope you're doing good. Gold up or down? I hope you're doing good as well. I don't know yet. It's we're going up and down, literally up and down, up and down, up and down. So check this. I can't see it. Epic Baba. Oh, it was Epic Baba. Oh shit. I remember that name.
Oh, yeah, I remember it too.
All the dancing here, pretty much. Yeah, I started pretty late today. It's okay.
Yeah, there's no need to be behind consolidation.
Yeah, not at all. Wasting time. Is there any news today? Today, I think there isn't like that crazy much. We got that unemployment claims right here. Right. We got there's some folders, but not like crazy like some people speaking natural gas storage and all of that trade balance. But tomorrow this is like 10 times stronger than all of this. Right, so employment claims can do something, but let's see. So yeah, the price come back up in the 4 hour. We already have top wicks in that, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I think stop loss isn't gonna be that big. They're on 12 pip stops, and target is probably around 25, 26 pips if I get the correct entry.
And is this one where you would enter on like limit order?
No, it's too rangy right now. I mean, you could do, but I'd rather wait for like now a small 5 minute to do something and then get in.
Yeah, like leave a wick inside the range and close below.
Yeah, what I'm pretty much looking for right now is like price to come back up. Like if a couple bullish candles like this, and this candle could also be bullish, the one I'm taking it off from. Or even that one. What? Oh shit, what? Okay, there. And then maybe like a doji like this. Make it a little bit bigger.
Yeah, with a good top wick.
So pretty much like this, and then it open right here. Or it could even be smaller. It could also be bullish, and then if it's bearish, you can take it already here or at the wake up somewhere here. Or if it's bullish, you can take it on the low.
True.
And then continue moving down. First target, or break even trigger at least, and then continuation for this area. And then pretty much waiting for this area probably to be tapped, and then I'm gonna take out first positions. Right here.
Yeah,
So you see this is something. But that candle can look like a lot of things, right? That kind of look like this. Kind of can look like this. Or it can also look like this, no top wick. Or even bullish. If it's bullish like this and it's still rejecting, then it's still good for me.
Yeah, as long as it's grabbing orders from that range. Yeah,
this all sells. Like for buys, I'm looking at vice versa, right? Like this. This in a 5 minute. And so on, and then red candles are the same. Yeah, let's see what price is gonna do today. I don't think there's too much happening. Silver is going down as well, okay. I jump 4 hour. Yeah, sorta. Needs to come back up to How long did it take for you to find what works for you in the market? Have you always been trading gold? Was already last year. Yes, last year it took me around 5-6 months, and then I stopped in around November because some things came back. What was it, like January, February, around that? I had to go all over again, and then it took me a good couple months to really start finding the things I really like. Look at that.
Yeah, it's starting to flip.
5 minutes dodgy though. Look at that. Bullish, bearish, bullish. It's coming up. I think this is a retest. Look right here. Get this box. Yeah, this resistance. Get a breakout. Yeah, this level was disrespected, so don't really look at those levels anymore. And then kind of started tapping back in towards the zone and pushing back up. You know what? The candle closed on my MetaTrade. It closed it at the top wick on my MetaTrade.
Oh yeah, mine too.
And with a gap.
Yeah, downward gap.
Yeah. Now waiting. Let's see how this candle is going to close. The 30-minute candle is sort of closing bearish. 15 looks like it's retesting this area right here. This in the 1 hour doesn't look the best, but as we're ranging, we're coming back up towards this 4-hour resistance again. So we're pretty much in this 4-hour range right here. 1810, 1815. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is going to close in 3 minutes.
And if this final 5-minute closes bearish, then next one can fill the 30-minute wick.
Yep. Made 10 pips above 200 EMA. Scary day. Okay. I don't know. What I've learned here has turned my trading around. Perfect, Spencer. Appreciate that. One hour is no top wick for me. Oh, mine does. Mine does as a 1 hour top wick. So some music on. Love from India, brother. Love back, fam. Look, can that 30-minute candle be a rocket candle? I got no idea what a rocket candle is, though. I mean, like, that's gonna go up. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I'll close a little bit weaker because it's a too strong 5-minute candle. Question in the chat. Morning from Australia. Well, I just woke up anyways. Maybe should I move over to another country to have a normal sleeping pattern? What's your thoughts on GJ at the moment? But yeah, it's filling that daily wick, daily and 4-hour wick to the top. I think that's one of the best things to wait for. Look, at which point would you say your current trade ID is invalid? Well, it's not really valid yet because the 5-minute didn't close the way I wanted it to close yet. But pretty much above 15.5, 50.5, or even earlier at 15.3. Then I would say goodbye, amigo. So I pretty much want this candle just to come back, respect this area. And once it comes back to respect the area, we could potentially fill part of this. Like, the only problem I see with this wick right here, right, is that as we grab this body is smaller than the actual wick right here, right? So it has a harder chance of going down to build that and continue moving down. So it's like 50-50.
Yeah, because there's also like no momentum, so then
Yeah.
it's more difficult for wicks to get filled.
Exactly. And especially when the body is bigger than the well, the body is smaller than the wick.
Yeah.
Dancer friend, next dancer. You really turned my trading around for real. Perfect. Thank you, man. Neck dancer friend. People still remember that. Shit. It is what it is. Cool. Where them likes at, y'all? You're getting worth thousands of dollars. At least you could smash the like button. Greedy, yes. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. The rookie numbers. Better trade D30 when gold is and GG is ranging. More opportunity at D30, but that's a wild beast. D30 is different. But the only problem I don't like, right, on D30 is that many times it's just hanging around those highs, right? But in its 1 hour time frame. Just in London session, right? From 8 o'clock, so from Frankfurt Open, it already moved 85 pips.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's every day, every single day, it does the same thing. There were some opportunities 8:30 to break this high, or even at the 5-minute. They all close without top wicks because it's just moving so fast. There were certain opportunities, but I don't know.
And the pip value, I think, is also 1-to-1, right?
Yes, and no, there's pretty much no commission.
Yeah, true. I remember.
You don't pay. Yeah, there's like, I think like it's like a 0.5 pip spread. Not even zero, like a yeah, like a 0.5 pip spread, and then what you also got no commission, so there's pretty much.
Yeah, that's very attractive to trade then.
Yeah, but it's very wild. So it's like really like 50-50. Yeah, gold isn't really attractive right now as well. 1 hour has a chance of flipping. Or this candle starts to close like this now and then break at the low. Let's see. GJ flying. Yeah. For the people that are entering right here, I think you're way too late. You should have entered already in this leg right here. NFP today, no, just unemployment claims. Tomorrow we got NFP. The only thing I don't like is that we already passed this area, right? In my opinion, you shouldn't have passed that. But we're coming back towards the 30-minute flip. See if it wants to flip.
I respected the high as well.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. What the fuck? No, close pretty doji. I'm waiting for it to really start breaking down. I don't really trust it yet because it didn't really, you know, respect the zone I wanted it. I wanted to get respected. So what? I wouldn't sell GJ. Not today. That's too delicate. Oh my god. My days. Bro, I'm mad. Yo, Amiad, how are you, man? Can you unmute me? Usually don't really do that, but for this time. The fuck is... Oh, here it is.
Hey, bro.
Yo, what's up?
I'm good, bro. What about you?
Yeah, pretty good. What about you?
Man, I'm great. So when I'm getting frustrated because, you know, I'm missing entries. I'm expecting a move and I'm watching them, they are happening right in front of me.
Yeah.
But there is lack of power, lack of what should I say it? But there's lack of something that I cannot execute. I'm not able to pull the trigger. Are you getting, bro?
Oh, you're not able to pull the trigger.
Yeah, man.
Okay, and it's not about the volume in the candles, or it's really just about not having the confidence to jump in.
Bro, are there any hacks for it? I'm not asking for shortcut, but not asking for shortcut, but just.
You just gotta do it. Probably you're trying to use too big of a lot size, and that's why you're scared.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the right thing. I'm using standard on $1,000.
Wait, what lot size are you using?
I'm a standard one lot size on $1,000.
One lot on $1,000 account.
Yeah,
Ooh,
man.
that's pushing it.
Oh shit.
Basically,
damn,
last week I've made like 30% gain.
Yeah, but that's over risk. That's not a gain. That's just gambles right there, man. Trust me. If I was you,
yeah.
I don't know, like how much that $1,000 means to you. Is that a lot of money for you?
Kind of.
Kind of. You're trading one lot.
Yeah.
Okay. If I was you, I would just step away completely from those one lots, and just start with 0.10. Start with 0.10 and appreciate what you're getting, and next to that, appreciate the fact that you're not over risking at that moment.
Yeah, that could be it.
Like go back to 1% and just slowly start going up after that, because what you're doing right now is just one lot on $1,000 account. That's big.
Yeah, man. Basically, my it was all about risk to reward, man. My maximum stop loss is around 2 pips, and it rarely hits on GU. So I have backtested this strategy since 2 months, and last week I have gained around like 13%. On this like $216. So that's why I was just confident. But yeah, that's the thing as well, that that is too much over leverage.
How long have you been trading?
I've been trading, man. It's been an year. I've started from last April, means 2020.
Okay. And maybe if you're already confident enough, you can already go like 25 cents. But careful, man. I'm saying.
Yeah, man. You are right, man.
Because you're really pushing it. Master Peter, you're pushing it to the limit. Like, not to the limit, past the limit. Right?
Yeah, man. I got you. Thank you.
So it's really dodgy. I mean, a lot can happen once you're over risking like that. If you one time aren't looking, you accidentally didn't put a stop loss, the price just starts dumping or flying up, you're fucked. Right? Or even like, what's your usual stop loss? If I may ask.
Oh, he muted himself.
Oh shit. What's your usual stop loss?
Bro, my SL stop loss is around like 2 pips maximum.
2 pips.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Then you're risking like $20. So yeah, never mind then.
Yeah, $20 per if
Go
it's
ahead.
$28 with commission.
Yeah. Then just use the one lot. You're fine.
How do you get a 2 pip stop loss?
Man, that's a hell of a work, bro. I'm working on order blocks, and I took entries on like 1 minute 30 seconds.
Ah, okay.
Last time, there's sometimes Daniel is in here too. No, not Daniel. It was another guy, and he does the same. He has like 1.5, 1.7, 2 pip stops.
Oh.
What?
Man,
and he uses like 4 lots.
Oh damn.
Yeah, man, that's true, because I've been backtesting this strategy, and I'm working on it a lot. And there's literally on, especially pairs like when there's the less spread in the market, like GU, it's working. It worked like a charm, literally. I can send you the chart if you want to see, Luke. What you say, bro?
Yeah, send it. I want to see it. I'm looking forward to it. What are you doing? But that guy, he does the same. He just like 2 pip stops, 1.7, 1.8 pips, sometimes like 3 pips, and then it just drops like 4 or something lots on it, and then it just.
Yeah, but
But his
basically I
target's
missed two
only like
entries
4
today.
pips as well, right? 4 or 5 pips. So
Mm.
like those trades are like minute trades, like
Mhm.
it happens in a very short time, and
Yeah, but
also like.
basically I missed
Oh, yeah, go
2
ahead.
trades today, like on 2 pips, 2 trades, man. That was just insane. And one went to 12 pips, and second went to like 15 plus pips, and GU still is flying. You know, that is the thing.
Wait.
It might be a confidence issue, I think.
You're even leaving it to like 15 pips.
Yeah, man.
Are you mad?
You can see that. You can see the chart, man.
Yeah, send. Oh, wait. Nice.
But I've been partialing in the way, you know, when it break the first breakout structure. Yeah, you can see that.
Wait. Wait, it's like 2.5 pips.
Yeah, it's 2 pips. Second entry I missed right
What
from
did
here.
you?
The second one.
What was your confirmation to enter this?
Bro, basically I'm using Wyckoff. You know, the
Okay. Oh
Wyckoff
yeah,
method.
yeah.
Yeah, the Wyckoff method. So there was a perfect Wyckoff on 30-second and 1 minute right here, and there was second confirmation of 2 breakout structure. Right, the first breakout structure was here, and second breakout structure
Okay.
was when this. I don't know if you can see that. And you know, I have learned this strategy from MentFX.
Oh, I got no idea what that is.
Yeah, MentFX. He's a very cool dude. So this
Okay.
is the. So these are the confirmation: 2 breakout structure and price return.
Let's go, gold. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. No.
First entry-
Why did it close without a 5-minute bottom wick? That's a whack. Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, so these were the 2 entries, and 2 breakout structure was my confirmation, and the last order block and with imbalance, with inefficiency in the price was my entry.
Crazy, man. Like, do you never feel like when you have such a small stop loss, like, oh shit, right? That it just can
Yeah,
bounce up
man.
a little bit
This
and then
this
it's just fucked. Like, spread
yeah,
is
this
there as
also
well.
increased. Yeah, spread is there, but on GU or in IC market, there is like 0.4, 0.3 in the volume time. You know, very less spread on GU, especially. So with this strategy, I'm particularly targeting those pairs with the small spread.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Makes
like
sense.
GJ is not good with the spread. You know,
Okay.
its spread moved to like 1 pip or 1.5 pip. So GU is good with this. Even gold too.
It's crazy, dude. Like 30-second and 1-minute time frame. That's mad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is mad.
That's pretty much line chart right there. Oh shit.
Bro.
But yeah,
Yeah,
if it like that's what I say. If it works for you, then why the fuck not, right?
Yeah, man.
So yeah, man. If it works for you, just go ahead and keep on doing it. Gucci. I'm 8 pips up on gold. Until like 14.4. You know, it might won't work for other people, but if it works for you, that's the most important. Doesn't matter what does or does not work for the rest, right? For me, like having such a small stop loss, that's too nerve-wracking for me. So I would personally not do that. But
basically, my rule is that I take only 1 or 2 trades per day. Like if I'm, you know, if I'm out in 1 trade, then I'm good. You know, yesterday I took a loss. I just got out. The day before yesterday, I took a loss of around like $28. I got out. You know.
Yeah,
that's
makes
it.
sense.
In these 2 days, my confidence, you know, is getting low. Then I couldn't execute a perfect trade today.
Yeah,
that is the problem I'm facing.
Just lower lot size a little bit, and then like also like once you lower that lot size, you are able to shoot twice, right? Now you're only able to shoot once.
Yeah, my confidence boost up with 0.01 lot size.
No. Just go like leave that 50, like the 1 lot, and go to like 50s or 25, 50 cents, because then with this with the same lot size, you're able to risk it twice, right? If you're wrong, you're able to shoot again. Like you're not always gonna hit the target, right? And if you have a super small loss and you try it again, you have enough risk to reward take everything out from the first loss you took, right?
Yeah, bro.
I think that's a smarter option for you right there, because it's be really dodgy.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, Luke. Thank
No
you.
problem, man.
It's good to talk to you.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
No worries. Yeah, I really don't. I'm in GJ, but I don't like the way it's moving now. It should continue. It's looking like it's rejecting.
You mean gold?
Gold, yeah. It'd also still be a retest on 1814.86. What do you think about USD CAD? Markets are closed. No reason to look at that. Guys, don't forget to like. We're about to hit 100 likes. I don't know about this 5-minute, because it's the 5-minute I usually start buying on, right? But not at this height. That 5-minute, if the like printed here, then it's good, right? But it is rejecting. I don't like.
Yeah, might just start ranging in that range again.
Yeah, 1 hour is about to close, so there's a high probability that the 1 hour is going to make a top wick. 30 minutes is closing like a doji. 15 is closing bearish. So it's delicate. Went long 14. Okay, that could be an option. Yeah, went around 8 pips in profit. Took off most of the position. The break even. Because I don't really like it. It's coming up to that 1 hour kind of closure, so it shouldn't be doing some dodgy shit. Yeah. Close out, break even. Gonna look for a re-entry later on. I mean, if you look at the 1 minute, it could come back. towards this area right here, right? And then start going further down. But this candle is usually that candle I'm buying on, so it's like doesn't make sense to hold it right now. What I see on the 1 minute, you can see this is the line we're pushing up. We broke out right here, right? We started disrespecting all these lows. We didn't care. Continue moving back up. We tap in towards this zone, then we should continue moving. But you can wait all the time. So just 1 hour kind of closure is upcoming, and it looks like the 1 hour is about to start closing pretty doji-like. So there's a chance that we could start breaking out on the top side for New York session. So it's closing like this. Rejection. Break of the highs in this one, also break of the lows, but yeah. Since we arranged for my last month. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Waiting for a second confirmation of 5 minute. Next 1 hour top wick. Okay. Yeah, my position went like 9.1 pips in profit. Once this candle started closing, I was like, nah, no bottom wick. Candle like this, never gonna be staying in that.
Sketchy.
Yeah, very sketchy. I think it's gonna do the same thing the rest of this entire session. So
Yeah, most likely.
four hours, 1 hour to close. Let's see.
In New York might push it back up to the 4 hours resistance at like 18, 19, something like that.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe this was the confirmation for price to continue moving up rather than down. I'm looking at those Dominion market leaderboards and people are doing some dodgy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see some crazy returns
Yeah.
on the leaderboard.
Yeah, but also some crazy drawdowns.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Statistics. Yeah, this account first went 22% into drawdown.
Oh damn. Where do you see the leaderboard?
If you go to Dominion Markets and you go to, it's like PAMM, I think it's called.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it, but there's some really good ones out there. Like there's one.
You need to log in to see that?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I
There's
don't have an
one
account there.
there's one from like June, and now September he made over 103%. Pretty good.
Oh damn.
114. Really stable. Like, still on gold after. Nah, I'm staying out of this. My break-even trade, good enough. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna end the stream on this one. It's way too slow, wasting people's time. Yeah, if this 5-minute close like this, it's pretty okay, but I don't really feel that good with it because it already broke highs, right?
Yeah, not much more good can happen this session.
So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the London session and New York session. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And take it easy today. Don't try and force a trade tomorrow. We got NFP, so, you know.
And we got only 2 more likes left to 100 likes, so make sure to drop those 2 likes.
Get those rookie numbers up. Go, Joe! Bye-bye. There we go, 107.
Oh, nice.